Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to find the friend invite code on this console. Basically the code you need to give to other people if they want to invite you as a friend. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to open the profile page. So find the icon of your profile right here on the top left side of the home screen. As you can see, I have two of them, but I'm gonna use this profile. And once you find the profile icon, tap on it. And here you can tap on the friend list. No, my bad, add friend. This option, add friend. And right here at the bottom, you will see your friend's code. And you can give that code to people so they can invite you as a friend. And once you're done, you can press the home screen to go back to home screen. And that's how you find the friend invite code on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.